In Bratislava and you're looking for an incredible, affordable, delicious meal, then BratNam is definitely the local spot for you. Walking on in, it has everything you need to know in regards to Asian street food and delicious cuisines, including a full blown grocery store dedicated to these cuisines. Now, it's well known as a popular chain restaurant across Bratislava, the capital of Slovakia, in modern day eats within Asian cuisine. Its specialties are Vietnamese sandwiches, ramen, and many others, like iced coffees. Now, they also deliver using different platforms throughout the city. Now, if you're looking for the historical information, Na is a common term used for square within Slovak, and it is also thinking about one of the historical squares in Bratislava. Main Square, Freedom of Square, and Fish Square. If you're interested in learning more about the Bratislava history, dedicate our channel as we consistently go through, learn about the golf courses in these local areas, and definitely walk on in and get some delicious meals here. I would rate this place very high on my list during my travels. In 10 days, I would put this as a top tier food that I had. And in regards to the price, comparison to other ones that were top tier, this might have been the best value, including it. It was definitely a nice atmosphere. It was a fun experience. And I look forward to trying some of this cuisine in the near future. Now, in regards to the history of it, you can't find much. I was hoping to find more, but due to language barriers and just confusion, and mainly because we're down on videos, we want to get some out. We just wanted to make sure that we have some historical information of traveling to this dedicated location that has awesome food, learning about it, and then doing a quick video so that I remember down the road. If you made it this far, be sure to click in one of the videos that are going to show up in the next few seconds, because I can promise you they're better than this. I would love to learn more about the history of the place, but without a website or more information, it's a fast growing chain. I will say that there's 3 locations across the town. I could see them even turning into an international hub, and I would really look forward to seeing one across the states. And maybe there is. I haven't done that much research in regards to the United States to see if they're here. If they are, let us know down in the comment section. As you see, a couple videos I posted on your screen, be sure to click on one of them and subscribe down here to the Parfessor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area. If you made it this far, why not? Because some of the videos are a little bit better than this. We can't promise you. We're out here having fun, and we want to get you to the golf course. So be sure to learn about your local course, get out there, and play it in the near future.